Hi, it's me, Lena. So, how are you guys? So, are you looking to install VirtualBox on Windows? If you're planning to use the Linux distributions. So, let's look at what do you first need to ensure a very good installation of the VirtualBox. So, first things first, requirements. Especially requirements on your Windows. So you'll need a good internet connection to download software and Linux ISO. Well, you can use some other computer with an internet connection to download these files actually, if you have an alternative. So a Windows system with at least 12 GB of free space, it will be good. And Windows system with 4 GB of RAM. Well, actually, it can work well with less RAM as well, but you will notice that your system will start to lag while using Linux in the virtual machine. So next, we are basically going to go step by step on installing the VirtualBox. But before we do that, where do you get this VirtualBox anyway? So why don't we go to Google and type in VirtualBox. Well, so after typing VirtualBox, we're going to click on Oracle VM VirtualBox. So it's basically virtualbox.org. So once we get here, I'm going to download VirtualBox 6.1. So this is the latest version actually. And what we do is we will click on Downloads. So here we can actually choose on which OS platform you're going to install your VirtualBox. So I'm going to install it in the Windows. Once I've clicked that, you'll notice that the VirtualBox 6.1 is being downloaded on the computer. So let's look at the VirtualBox which I have already downloaded, 6.1 version, and let's click on it. And Windows installer preparing to install. So let's press next. So tick on create start menu, create a shortcut in the quick launch bar, register file association, all clicked, and yeah, okay, so proceed with installation. Yes, install. So basically it takes several minutes. As you can see, it has started to install. Would you like to install this device software? So you say install. And we are done. So we get our first box of Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. So this is how VirtualBox is basically downloaded and installed. So this is Lena. Do subscribe to our channel and look out for more Linux tutorials and how-to videos. Bye.